If you want to build or refine your digital marketing plan without false starts and missteps that comes with doing it alone, watch this video. The ultimate guide to digital marketing is full of insight and strategies for business owners, marketing professionals, students, and anyone else looking to hone their current skills and get up to speed on the latest in digital marketing. I am Bobe Nkwain Chiambah, founder and CEO of Chillen Media Inc, where we leverage the power of media and technology to empower you. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the act of promoting and selling products and services by leveraging online marketing tactics such as social media marketing, search marketing, and email marketing. When you get down to it, digital marketing is simply marketing. It's how today's businesses are getting their message in front of their best prospects and customers. Rule number 1 in marketing is to make the right offer at the right time and in the right place. Today, your customers are online, hanging out on social media, staying updated on news sites and blogs, and searching online when they have need. Digital marketing puts you in same channels so your best prospects can see you, learn more about you, even ask more questions to learn more about you and your products or services. If you are new to digital marketing, it may feel overwhelming to think about mastering all the tactics used in digital marketing. We get that. And yes, there are different tactics that you will need to learn. But they all work together to create a foundation for your business, attracting prospects, nurturing relationships, and making offers your audience will appreciate and respond to. Let's take a closer look at how that happens. How does digital marketing work? In many ways, digital marketing is no different than traditional marketing. In both, smart organizations seek to develop mutual beneficial relationships with prospects, leads, and customers. But digital marketing has replaced most traditional marketing tactics because it's designed to reach today's customers. As an example, think about the last important purchase you made. Perhaps you purchased a smartphone, hired someone to clean your home, or a graphic designer to create a logo for your business. Regardless of what it was, you probably began by searching the internet to learn more about available solutions, who provided them, and what your best options were. Your ultimate buying decision was then based on the reviews you read, the friends and family you consulted, and the solutions, features, and pricing you researched. Most purchasing decisions begin online. That being the case, an online presence is absolutely necessary regardless of what you sell. The key is to develop a digital marketing strategy that puts you in all the places where your followers are already hanging out. Then using a variety of digital channels to connect with them in a multitude of ways. 1. Create content to keep them updated with industry news, the problems they are facing, and how you solve those problems. 2. Social media to share that content and then engage with them as friends and followers. 3. Search engine optimization (SEO) to optimize your content so it will show up when someone is searching for the information you have written about. 4. Advertising to drive paid traffic to your website where people can see your offers. And 5. Email marketing to follow up with your audience to be sure they continue to get the solutions they are looking for. When you put all this together, you will end up with an efficient, easy to operate digital marketing machine. And while it looks intimidating to build that machine from scratch, it is a simple learning and integrating one digital marketing tactic at a time. Which is why we've put together this guide to help you build or refine your own digital marketing plan without the false starts and missteps that come with doing it alone. What are the benefits of digital marketing? Having a strong digital marketing presence will help you in many ways. 1. It makes it easier to create awareness and engagement both before and after the sale. 2. It will help you convert new buyers into rabid fans who buy more and more often. 3. It will kickstart word of mouth and social sharing and all the benefits that comes with them. 4. It will shorten the buyer's journey by presenting the right offers at the right time. Learn the strategies that get real results. Beware, the digital marketing scene is ever changing. Gurus, podcasts, and bloggers declare a tool or tactic hot one week and dead the next. The truth is, digital marketing is less about digital and more about marketing. Largely because digital marketing has come of age, its fundamentals have already been established. In this course, our objective is to clear the confusion about the tactics that work and how to use them to grow your business. We stand firm against the so-called gurus who promote the next shining objects and quick fix that will probably kill email marketing, digital advertising, or search engine optimization. This course is all about the fundamentals of digital marketing. What is your experience in digital marketing? Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to more tutorials on digital marketing. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.